If your kid is an adventure freak, then a camera would be the perfect gift for him and her. To get the perfect camera, dive into this video. Number 1. Most popular. GoPro Hero 6 Black. For some reason, the GoPro Hero 6 Black is the most expensive GoPro on our list, despite being the oldest model. The features of this action camera are an improvement from the previous model. Hero 6 Black captures super smooth footage, whether it's handheld or mounted to your gear. Hero 6 Black is waterproof to 33 feet without a housing. Now featuring touch zoom and an updated UI, the 2-inch display makes it easy to frame shots, change settings and play back footage. Number 2. GoPro Hero 7 Black for kids. The GoPro Hero 7 Black is the most popular model, even though it isn't the latest one. Many users rave about the features, which include 3 different lenses to capture the perfect shots for your kids. This is the ultimate action camera for kids or teens who are serious about photography. If you believe your kids are responsible enough for a true action camera, this is the best GoPro for them, especially teens. The live streaming, voice control, and noise reduction make this the perfect camera for kids. Number 3. GoPro Hero 5 Black for kids. Overview capture different with Hero 5 Black. Share immersive 4K perspectives that make you feel like you're there. Hero 5 Black makes it easy with its one-button simplicity, convenient touch display, and ready-to-go waterproof design. Smooth, stabilized video, crystal clear audio, and pro-quality photo capture combine with voice control and GPS to make Hero 5 Black the most impressive GoPro ever. And when it's time to edit and share, Hero 5 Black automatically uploads footage to your GoPro Plus cloud account to provide easy access on any device. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 4K Action Cam. DJI Osmo Action is one of the highest-rated alternative action cameras next to GoPro. The spec's great for active families, especially if you enjoy snowboarding, skiing, or skateboarding. There are dual screens that allow you to capture images with a quick touch of a button. What many parents love about this camera is how easy it is for kids to use. You can set up the camera for your kids to have the best videos and pictures. The DJI Osmo is the best GoPro for active kids. Number 5. Acaso Brave 7 LE 4K 30fps 20MP Wi-Fi Action Camera. Our favorite brand and action camera, especially for teens, is the Acaso Brave 7 LE. We have a different model action camera from this brand and love it. It's one of the best alternatives for a GoPro. I will admit the features aren't as great as the GoPro, but the price is fair, and it offers a better camera. What sets this camera apart from the others is the depths this action camera can go. If your teen likes to scuba dive, this is the ultimate camera for them. Number 6. Ourlife Kids Camera. The Ourlife Kids camera is the most popular action camera for kids. The waterproof case makes it the perfect swimming companion. One of the best features is the reversible lens. The main complaint about this kids' action camera is how difficult it is to see on a hot and humid day. The waterproof case can make it difficult to see on a sunny day to get a nice clear picture. Also, there were a few negative reviews about the longevity of this camera. Number 7. VTech Kidizoom Action Cam. The VTech Kidizoom Action Cam is one of our favorite cameras for 3-year-olds. It has everything you need for an active toddler that wants to record their moves. This is one of the best action cameras for little ones on the move. There are fun games, effects, and features that your kids will love. VTech is known as the go-to brand for toddler technology. Although it isn't as good as a GoPro, this action camera is easy to use, has parental control, includes accessories, and takes good pictures. Number 8. GoPro Hero 9 Black for Kids. It comes with a 5K video capturing ability with 20MP image capture with Super Photo. The smart process will pick all the best photos for you. It has a touch display on both the front and back of the device to make control easier. Hero 9 integrates live streaming and webcam with 1080p for maximum clarity. And the hyper-smooth stabilization ensures that you get clear recording throughout the session. Everything is new in this model, so is the time warp, which captures exceptional time-lapse scenes. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.